How to delete and remove all likes on Instagram. Unlike all Reels 2026 want to clean up your Instagram like history, and unlike all those Reels you tap too fast. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you the official built-in way to remove your likes in bulk, plus the honest truth about what Instagram actually allows. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are covering everything you need to know about removing all your likes on Instagram in 2026. Let us go. First, the most important truth before anything else. Instagram does not have a single button that removes all your likes at once. There is no one-tap delete all option anywhere in the app. However, Instagram does have an official bulk management tool inside your activity settings that lets you select and remove multiple likes at the same time within a chosen date range. That is exactly what we are going to use right now. And the best part, when you unlike something, the other person is never notified. Now here is the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Step 2. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then tap your activity. This opens Instagram's official activity dashboard, which is completely private and only visible to you. Step 3. Inside your activity, tap interactions. Then tap likes. You will now see your complete like history. Every post, reel, and video you have ever liked listed in chronological order. Step 4. To remove likes in bulk, tap the sort and filter option at the top right of the screen. Use the date range filter to select a specific time period, for example, the last 30 days, last 90 days, or a custom range. This narrows down the likes shown on your screen to only that period. Step 5. Once your filtered likes are showing, tap select in the top right corner. Now tap on every like you want to remove. A blue checkmark will appear on each selected item. You can select as many as you want in one go. Step 6. Once you have selected everything, tap unlike in the bottom menu. Confirm when prompted. All selected likes will be removed instantly and permanently. The original posters will not receive any notification that you unliked their content. Step 7. Repeat this process for different date ranges to work through your full like history. Start with the most recent period, bulk remove those likes, then move to the next date range and repeat until your history is as clean as you want it. Now for specifically unliking Reels, the process is identical. Inside your activity, tap interactions, tap likes, and your Reels likes appear alongside post likes in the same list. You can identify Reels by the video play icon on the thumbnail. Select them the same way and tap unlike to remove them in bulk. Pro tip, going forward, if you want to stop your friends from seeing what Reels you are liking, go to Instagram settings. Scroll down to settings and activity, tap activity in friends tab, and toggle off the option that allows your followers to see your likes and comments on Reels. This keeps all your future Reel interactions completely private without you having to manually unlike anything. And that is it, your activity, tap interactions, tap likes, filter by date, select in bulk, and unlike. Clean, official, and completely safe for your account. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials every week. Are you doing a full Instagram cleanup or just clearing recent likes? Drop it in the comments below. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.